So you are thinking about buying a new construction home here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and you're wondering what you can get for about $400,000 to $450,000. Well, then you're in luck because today I'm going to show you just that. Lennar is building some beautiful homes at a very attractive price over in the Isles of Bella Vita in Carolina Forest. And if you like open concept living, big kitchen islands, and huge walk-in showers, and if you've ever thought to yourself, man, I really wish my pantry was big enough to take a nap in, well then you are absolutely going to love the Collins floor plan that I'm going to walk you through right now. Hey, welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Nick with Remax Southern Shores. And on this channel, I talk about things to do here in Myrtle Beach. I give tips and advice about the area. And of course, I talk about the real estate. So if you're thinking about relocating to the area, then go ahead and tap that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell while you're at it. This way you can be the first to know about what's going on here in Myrtle Beach. I get calls every day from people just like you who are moving to the area, so if you have any questions or if I can help you find home here at the beach, then go ahead and click the first link down in the description to schedule a call with me. So as I mentioned, today we're going to be checking out the Collins floor plan over in the Isles of Bella Vita, which is located on the southern end of Carolina Forest, right off of Waccamaw Boulevard, which runs parallel to 501. And this is actually a really awesome location because you have easy access to everything on 501, but if you want to avoid all the traffic that comes along with that road, you never have to get on it if you don't want to, unless you are trying to go inland to Conway. From this community, you can easily hop onto River Oaks Drive and get to the northern end of Carolina Forest, or you can get onto George Bishop Parkway to get access to 17 Bypass, or continue onto Harrelson Boulevard to get to the Myrtle Beach Airport in less than 15 minutes. And you'll be happy to know that you can get to the beach in downtown Myrtle in just about the same amount of time. And if you want a more quiet, less touristy beach experience, then you can get to the Myrtle Beach State Park in just about 20 minutes. So the Collins model is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom ranch-style home sitting at just about 1,920 heated square feet. And after factoring in lot premiums and upgrades, it comes in the low to mid $400,000 price point. Now, Lennar is only building spec homes, so all of those lot locations and upgrades have already been chosen, but they do have options on both the lower and higher end of that price range. And if you watched my video last week, then you know that Lennar is currently running their year-end special with some really great incentives, and there could be opportunities to get into one of these homes for under $400,000. So if you are even slightly interested in this community after watching this video, then please do not hesitate to reach out because these homes are going super fast, especially the discounted ones. So if you're ready to see this home, then hit that like button and let's hop into it. So you might be thinking to yourself that this home looks a little bit weird, and that's because there's no garage door because they're using the garage as their offices here in the model home, and there's also no driveway. Now the Collins model does have 3 different elevations, 2 of which do have these nice big front porches. One of my favorite parts about this home is right when you walk into the front door. So the feature that I really like about this entryway is they do bump out the entrance for it to be a little bit wider with the way that they laid out these bedrooms. It's definitely nicer than having a narrow little hallway walking in the front door. So your first bedroom is up at the front of the house here, and as you can see, the laminate floors do run into the bedrooms in this model. That is an upgrade that they are putting into some of their homes. Not all of them, some of them do have carpet, but that's a feature that I know a lot of people like. Here is your secondary bathroom with your tub and shower combo. And here is another angle of that wide front entryway here at the front door. Now in this one, in the model here, they did make this second bedroom an office. Normally when this is a bedroom, obviously this wall would be closed off and your door into it would be where those golf posters are. Something pretty cool about this community, even when they change that into an office, they still put a closet in there, so you can kind of use it as both. And as we get to the end of the hallway here, you can see that this home really does start to open up into that nice big open concept living. I absolutely love this floor plan. You can see all of those windows there in the back letting in all that natural light. That nice big kitchen island and those staggered kitchen cabinets definitely adds a nice touch to the home. Here on the left you have that massive pantry I was telling you about. Just kidding, we're saving that. That is your coat closet there when you come in off of the garage. You have a little drop zone. There is your door out to the garage, which we're not going to go into because they are using that as their offices. A nice big laundry room. And I promise you, I was not lying when I said you could sleep in this pantry. It is absolutely massive. Look at that thing. I could not fill that entire thing up if I tried. And here we are going back through. You can see this is a natural gas community. You got your gas appliances there, your little breakfast nook / dining area. Again, all of these windows just letting in a ton of light. And I just can't get over this floor plan. I like that little coffee bar that you have there in the back as well. And as we head back to the primary bedroom, I'll give you a little bit of a peek here of this huge covered porch in the back. And look at this primary bedroom here in the back. Very, very spacious. This is big furniture in here and it looks kind of small in this room. And then this shower. I wasn't lying about this shower either. 0 entry, all tile, walk-in glass shower. Absolutely beautiful. You have the double sink vanity there. You have a big linen closet, your toilet closet, and then a very nice sized walk-in closet as well. As we turn around, I'll give you another view of this walk-in shower from the other side. You do have that all-tile bench in there as well. Definitely a very nice touch. And then we'll go ahead and head back and give you a peek at that big screened-in porch. Well, this one's not screened, but they do screen in some of them, or you can always get that done after as well. Here's another view of your front entryway and the living area. Again, no matter what angle you look at this home from, it's absolutely gorgeous. As we head out here, you can see there is a very big covered porch, and this is just one section of it. There's also another section around where the dining room window looks out, and I'm just going to let you take in that view here for a second. You can see there in the back, that is where they are building the community pool. This is a small community, only 175 homes, so that's really the only amenities that are here. Definitely plenty for this community. And here is another peek. Look how big that porch is there in the back. Definitely one of my favorite features of this home. All right, well, that was a good one. And I'm curious, do you keep enough food in the house to fill up that entire pantry? Let me know down in the comments below. The Collins model is one of 8 floor plans being offered in this community. Some are smaller and some are bigger. The Sparrow, the Osprey, and the Waverly are a few other popular floor plans that you might also like. Now, I mentioned this in last week's video, but right now this is the only community that Lennar is building that is offering these floor plans, and it's a fairly small one. There will only be about 175 homes when it's fully built out. They sold the first one in May, and they're already about halfway sold out, so it's a very popular one. The HOA dues in the Isles of Bella Vita are $77 a month, and they are billed quarterly. This is going to give you access to the pool, it's going to cover the common area maintenance of the community, and it's going to cover your trash pickup. If this is your primary residence, you can expect to pay somewhere between $1,500 to $1,800 a year for your taxes, and insurance is going to run you about the same, somewhere between about $1,500 to $2,000 for the year. Again, my name is Nick, and if you're thinking about buying a home here at the beach, then I would love to chat with you. Go ahead and click the first link down in the description and let's schedule a call. I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.